Hello and welcome to the second part of the dynamic product tutorial. We continue the tutorial with our custom table product. In this tutorial, we are going to check the intervals function and the grids function. The intervals function allows us to vary a field value based on other fields. For example, let's say we want to vary the glass area cost by the area. First, we create a new field called the glass cost. It's gonna be the cost per meter squared. The type is price. The default value is, let's say, 20. Then we change it in the formula. Next, we add an interval which will vary the glass cost, and it's based on the area. So let's say from 0 to 1 meter squared, the glass cost is going to be 20. Then we add another interval, let's say from 2 or from 1 to 2. It's already filled automatically. Let's say it's gonna be 15, and from 2 to 3, 10, and 5, from 3 to infinity. So now we can check the glass cost field. We open the console. Now we have 1 meter squared, which corresponds to this interval. So when we go to from 2 meters to 3, it's 10, and from 3 upwards, it's 5. Our price formula changes accordingly. We can also do this using the grid. We add a new grid, and then the target field is gonna be the glass cost, the column field is the width, and the row field is the length. So we add a few rows. So the length from 0 to 100, the next is 200. Same for the width. And now we can enter different values. Now we are in this value. Let's try 50 and 100 for the width. It should give us 19. If we try 50 for the width and 100 for the length, it should give us 17. So the grid allows us to vary one field based on the values of two fields. Now we are going to check how to hide a specific option using the conditions. In the conditions tab, add your condition. For example, when glass equals 1, meaning it's checked, we want to hide the plastic option. We check that, and now it should be hidden like this. Another useful feature in the conditions is being able to pick the drop-down value. So let's say you want to say material equals, You open the drop down and then you pick which option. So now when material equals 5, meaning that the plastic option is picked, we want to do something like, for example, hide a specific field. As you can see, the module allows for many possibilities. I hope you find it very useful. See you in the next part.